Hello everyone. So how to install Hopster app? So Hopster app is about preschool learning. So it's TV stories, games, books for kids, and you can help. You can enjoy this app with your kid, and yeah, just have lots of fun. So just tap get, and there you have it. Confirm with your Apple ID or Touch ID, and then the size of it is 150 megabytes. There you have it. So yeah, it's basically kids TV app, and 100% ad free. You can also use it on iPad, iPhone, Apple TV with just one subscription, and there are like a lot of favorite kids TV shows here. So that's the app, and then you just tap open. And then this app will just open, and then you can just log in. You can create an account and proceed. But that's how you install an app.